In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Qatar Airways online. We'll walk through the relevant navigation on QatarAirways.com. Using the stopover and hotel booking flow you'll find on the same site you use to manage your trip. This helps you confidently move around the site so you can handle key tasks without confusion. Start by opening your browser and heading to QatarAirways.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the URL and looking for the secure lock icon in your address bar. Websites change from time to time, so the exact placement of menus can vary, but the core options are consistent. On the home page, look for the section labeled Stopover or Packages. This area is designed for travelers connecting through Doha who want to enhance their journey with a short stay. Click into that section to see the available trip enhancement options. Next, choose hotels. This takes you into the hotel search experience that's tailored for stopovers or short stays. Here, you'll be able to set your location, dates, and guest details. Enter your search details carefully. Match your check-in and check-out dates to your travel itinerary, especially if you arrive late at night or very early in the morning. Add the number of guests and rooms you need. If filters are available, use them to narrow by budget, rating, amenities, or distance from the airport or city center. Taking a moment to refine your search now saves time later. Click Search to see the available properties. Results typically list price, location, and key features. Open a few hotel pages to review photos, room types, included amenities, and cancellation policies. Pay attention to check-in and check-out times and whether breakfast or transfers are included. When you find a match, select the hotel and click Select. You may then be asked to choose a specific room or rate. Review the rate conditions, then click Select again to confirm your choice. Double-check the total price and any taxes or fees displayed before continuing. You'll be prompted to add contact details. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your travel documents, along with a working email address and phone number. Accuracy here ensures you receive confirmations and any important updates. If there's a field for special requests, add essentials like late arrival notes. Finally, choose your payment option. Review the price summary, currency, and cancellation rules. One last time. Then complete payment on the secure checkout page. After payment, keep a copy of your confirmation page and note your booking reference. This way, you'll have everything you need at hand as you manage your journey on QatarAirways.com.